Hello again, Pietro here. Thanks for coming by Gadgets Anonymous. And part of gadgets is what's around them, the accessories, right? The watch band and also the watch cases. So today we are going to take a look at some Poetic Cases. And yes, like the title of the video says, we're going to do a giveaway. I've been wanting to do a giveaway for a long time. Probably, I don't know, over 5 years. And so today we're going to do one. So I'm going to try out the cases. I just washed my hands, and then the ones that I don't like, or maybe all of them, we're going to give some away. So stay tuned. Let's see what's inside, and let's see what Poetic sent us. Here we go. Okay, ready, stay puffed? Watch out. And there's our unboxing. What'd you think, Stay Puffed? I thought it was pretty cool. So thanks to Poetic for sending these over. And this one, well, that's not going to fit. This is for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And this one is also for the iPhone 11, so a little bit bigger. And this one, this looks like the right size for the iPhone. You know, on second thought, I believe it is, because it sure fit that case. And it has the volume rocker. Let's try it out. Yeah, that works nicely. So this is a military grade case by Poetic. Now, I like this one because it has the kickstand built right in. And if you're watching videos or whatever, still works. Now, will it still charge? Well, let's take a look. So here's a UTech wireless charger. Oh yeah, still charges. So we'll do that again. So here's the case, and you put it on the charger, and it charges. Well, thanks, Poetic. That was a really nice gift basket. I appreciate it. So let's give this one away right here. We're going to give away the iPhone 11 case. This is black clear. It's brand new. I won't open it. I'll just put it back in the box here. So if you want to win this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make a comment saying, yes, I have an iPhone 11, and yes, please send me the case. And I'll use an algorithm that a friend of mine created, and then we'll do a drawing. Yeah, let's do that. Now another cool thing about the Poetic cases, and like I said, I'll just put this in. I'm not going to use this one. So if you have an iPhone 11, go ahead and comment below, and I'll give this away to the lucky winner. And I'll do the drawing as soon as the video hits, I don't know, 5,000 views. Yeah, 5,000. Wow, that is really noisy. I apologize if... Oh, I teared it. I'm sorry. I'm trying to be gentle. There we go. So another cool thing I like about the Poetic cases is, one, most of the packaging, if not all of it, is recyclable. They're designed in the USA. This company is out of California. And then they're made in China and shipped over. But the packaging is nice. And this one I'm going to keep because I'm going to review another iPhone. Anyway, and I'll send this gift card with you as well. So if you have an iPhone 11 and you need a really cool case that has a 3-year warranty, go ahead and comment below, subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and I'll do a search on the comments with my algorithm, crunch some numbers, and we'll give this away. Thanks again to Poetic for sending these cool cases out. You can buy these on their website, poeticcases.com, or also on Amazon. Thanks again for watching, and just to summarize, this is the case I'm giving away. This is a Poetic Guardian iPhone 11 6.1-inch black clear. Great cases, 3-year warranty. Comment below, subscribe. Please give the video a like, and when the video reaches 5,000 views, I'll run the algorithm, choose one of the comments, and I'll mail this to you. Thanks again for coming by the channel, and yes, if you are addicted to gadgets, then you found the right place. This is what I do. I review gadgets, I wear them, I buy them. Sometimes I do return them. Most of the time, well, it's a combination. So I buy, I keep, I return, I sell. One of my watches that I reviewed last year is being worn by my son. So yeah, that's my life, and wow, my break's over. See you real soon, and I hope you win the giveaway. Goodbye.